What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently sitting at $1.25, up 0.62 on the day. Seeing market cap at 10.79 billion. 24-hour volume 566 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bickit, grab up to 30K in bonuses or Bybit up to 8K in bonuses. Email me your sign-up email. Completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Let's hop into the charts. So Matic could potentially be putting in a wave B. Now there is the alternative scenario that this is a 3, this is a 4, and this could be ending diagonal wave 5. So if we break that low, you may see that scenario. However, what we may be going through is an ABC correction into a wave B. Now I did count 3 waves up, but it did break below the invalidation point. It wicked below it, but it pushed up rather quickly. If you take it from the wave 2 low, fib retracement to the top, as you can see, we did wick below the 50%, but just barely. So this could be a wave 4, and you're still looking to push up in a wave 5. To complete the C, I have to pull this down now. 618 target would be about 127, but I would imagine it would push a little bit higher. Maybe up to about $1.30, which is major resistance. So if we do see that continuation and a push up, look at $1.30 as a level to get rejected for that wave B before seeing continuation to the downside, in my opinion. I still think we could put in this right shoulder. So you can see here, if we were to push up to $1.30, we would create that right shoulder. You can see massive resistance here in between about $1.30 to $1.35. Put in that wave B, put in a right shoulder, break down, come all the way down to the 90-cent range. The money flow has crossed the 50 line. With the bearish divergence on the daily, higher likelihood it's going to come back down to where you started. It doesn't mean it has to happen. It's just a higher probability, and that's all we can trade based off. Looking at Ethereum, we may be looking at a leading diagonal, which I updated here in the Discord. So basically you came down in a wave 1. This is a wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. To complete the wave 1, A, B, C into a 2, and then you'd come down in the wave 3 of the wave C. That's a possibility that I've been looking at here. Of course, the bullish scenario, let me quickly pop over this chart here, is that this is a wave 1, wave 2. All of this is a 3, 4, and you're looking to push up in a 5. So you'd be looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's the less probable scenario, but of course it's still on the table. But if we do put in that higher high, I think the bearish divergence will continue to print, and then we'll roll over anyways and come back down to the support of about 12.95 of this beautiful ascending triangle. I've been watching this rising wedge. We had a fake out to the downside. We broke back up into the pattern, broke down again. So often what will happen is you'll break down and retest. Everybody will go short. You'll break down, you'll come all the way back up, retest again, and then you'll really start to see the move to the downside. So if that does happen, then you could push up to about 1698. It would make sense with the leading diagonal, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to complete a wave 1. Pull back in a wave 2, and then see continuation to the downside. We'll have to see how that plays out. Obviously, if we break 1698 and we break that previous local high, then we can put in a wave 5 to the upside. But as I mentioned, I think that's the less probable scenario. Major resistance here at about 1676 as well for ETH. So that's basically it for this little update. Look for that wave 5 if we do push to the upside to about $1.30 to complete the wave B before seeing continuation down. But if we do just break down from here, either this wave B was quite small, which is possible, or this is a wave 3 low. Here's your wave 4, and you're putting an ending diagonal on a wave 5 before potentially pushing up in that large wave B. We'll have to see how it plays out. Currently, we're making some juicy profits short on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Locked in some gains, moved the stop loss to break even. We got in right towards the high there. I gave that signal in the Discord. It's $10 a month for early access to my analysis signals, which can be very helpful in your trading journey. And crypto news, member profits, Mahalo alt plays, everything else is completely free. If you sign up to either Bybit or Bickit, email me your sign up email, and I will send you the link so you can have access to all the chat rooms of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, trade signals, all that kind of good stuff. All links are in the description. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Smash the like button. Much love. Take care.